So I added some, enemies, and yeah, so I can kind of kill them, just make them disappear. So if you click on the mouse button right now, so I'm able to detect if it's an enemy or not. So if it's an enemy, so I will be able, like to destroy or remove the enemy from the scene. And if it's not, I will just be able to see where I should. So this is an enemy. So the enemy will be like those little blocks. So if I click on one of them, okay, just give me one sec. I didn't click on anything. So yeah, just gonna disappear. If I didn't work, you can just click on, yeah, and I have like three enemies, I think. Yeah, click on it, just disappear. So the thing that I did, so I just put a little rotation. So I just rotate the component a little bit on the y-axis, and then I remove it from the scene. So it's pretty simple right now, and I can still shoot. If it's not the enemy, I'm gonna know. So I will just be able to see where I shoot. Yeah, like I did in the first video. So right now I can shoot an enemy. Oh, I got the last one, so I'm gonna try to kill it. Not really kill it, just make it disappear. Okay. So yeah, I make it disappear. So this is the thing that I can do. So I can still move, and I can make my enemy disappear, and I can like shoot under my scene. So this is the thing that I can do right now using Unity. So I'm still working. I'm still reading the book. I have, I think, 400 pages, and actually I'm still in the first. No, I think I'm still in the second chapter, some kind of thing like that. But I've been able to read 90 pages so far. So everything is great. So hopefully I will be able to reach 100. So I will keep you updated. So have a good night, and bye bye.